Hey, we're back. Luxinda Swirl here. We have another day of our Stickii Club Advent Calendar Tumbler. We are on day 19. Do you believe it? Day 19. Let's see what the stickers are for today. Let's just find out. Rainy season. Okay, this is from Okashi na Okashi. Try and hold this still so you can see the information here. It is food related in spite of it saying rainy season. This is Wa Cafe Sweets. I guess this is what you would eat on a rainy day. We have butterfly PT, raindrop jelly, blueberry tart, kusa dango. Sorry, I'm probably saying that wrong. I apologize. Raindrop jelly s'more, nirikuri, no-bake blueberry cheesecake, all sorts of goodies. So, what are we going to put on our cup? I'm thinking raindrop jelly sounds cool. So we'll get one of those, and we'll put it here next to the strawberry jam picnicky thing. That. Let's see if we can fit one in there. How about this one? Hydrangea parfait. Oh, doesn't that sound divine? Hydrangea parfait. Look at that. And then maybe something tiny for the bottom. But these little gumballs. I think that's what they are. They don't look to be actual fruit, so we'll call them gumballs for lack of more information. We'll put those right there. Actually, they could be eyeballs, I suppose, but we'll just go with gumballs. That's less creepy. Okay, there we are. Holy cow, day 19. Finito.